Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to My AI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, My AI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how My AI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
In this video, what we're going to do is focus on being a social media star and doing step one, which is posting on social media. Let's click on it and let's choose long post and suggested image. We are going to here. This is completely optional. If you don't want to do it, you can ask for a post about anything. Something as simple as, hey, tips for managing time as a stay-at-home mom. And it will write a long post and suggest an image. Here I want to show you what happens if you do choose an objective. I'm going to choose to educate. I'm going to choose my business profile as impact health. And I want this to be about staying healthy. And I'm going to choose to generate. And I'm going to get a long post and suggested image that is optimized for different platforms, Facebook and LinkedIn, so that I can post this long post and suggested image. Right? It's going to share tips about staying healthy, really easy to do, and it's going to be educational. Okay, so we're going to get this great post built for us with our AI profile and our writing style, using the objective to educate about my business profile, impact health, that I just made up, and then staying healthy. So it's going to create a great long post and suggested image for us using AI. And we're going to be able to post it in just seconds once it writes this amazing long post for us. So here we have an amazing post for Facebook and for LinkedIn. You can check it out here. This is awesome. It says, hey, health enthusiasts, fall into the new age of health coverage with Impact Health. That's awesome because I asked it to mention my business. It talks quite a bit about what Impact Health is, and then it shares here's how it works, which is awesome. This is exactly what I wanted it to do. I'm going to show you how easy it is to post this on LinkedIn. I'm going to click to get started. It's going to download the image for me. And I'm going to follow the prompts here, right? So I'm going to click to post. It's going to open up LinkedIn for me. I'm going to click to start a post. I'm going to add the media that is here. So I'm looking for my LinkedIn image. There it is. I'm going to click on next. Now, when it asks what I want to talk about, I'm going to follow the prompt that told me to just paste. That's awesome. So now I have a great long post. If I choose to, right? I can maybe add some spacing here if I want to. I always do it right at those wonderful emojis that it gives to me. And that's it. Look, I have an amazing long post that's absolutely informative and connected to my business. I'm going to click on post. And just like that, I have a long post with exactly what I asked for using my business profile and objective. And you can use this for whatever you'd like to share and create a long post about. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of My AI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that My AI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on My AI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give. Go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.